In this video, we'll be taking a look at addition law. We'll be diving into the laws of logarithm, and we'll be starting with addition law. Just like we have in indices, we have addition law, we have subtraction law, and we also have power law. Now, let's take a quick recap of what we did in the last video. We said in the index form of x to the power n is equals to y. The logarithm form is log of y to base x is equals to n. And that means we're saying that the base raised to the power of the index equals to the number. And in the same vein, we're saying that log of the number having a base is equal to the index. Now, let's begin with the addition law. The addition law simply states that log p of q is equal to log p plus log q, provided that they are of the same base. Let's say b, b, and b. Now, let's take a quick derivation on this. So we say let p be equals to b raised to the power x. Let's say p is equals to b raised to the power x, and q also is b raised to the power of y. Now, if we convert p is equals to b raised to the power x, and this is in the index form, and let's put it back to the logarithm form, then we say that log of p to base b is equals to x, just like we have done in the last video. And for q is equals to b raised to the power y, we will say that log of q to base b is equal to y. Now, p multiplied by q will be b raised to the power x multiplied by b raised to the power y. And this brings us back to the indices format because they have the same base b but different powers, index x and y, and the multiplication sign between them. This brings us to the addition law, and this says that this equals into b into x plus y. Now, if pq is equals to b raised to the power of x plus y, and this is also in the index form, so if you convert it to logarithm form, we're having b log pq, so base of b is equals to x plus y. Now, what is x and what is y? X is log of p to base b, and y is log of q to base b. Therefore, this brings us back to log pq to base b is equal to log p to base b plus log q to base b. Now, this is the addition law. Now we can see that this is the same thing as this. So we are relating indices with logarithm. Now let's take a quick question on this. Now we have the relation of the addition law, that log pq of base b is equals to log p of base b plus log q of base b. Now, if we have, for instance, log 8 plus log 5, and let's say it is to base 10 and to base 10. Now they are of the same base, yes, then addition law will apply. So therefore we're saying this will give us, we are going backwards now. So we have this and we are going to this. So what is going to result is that these two will get multiplied. Okay, so this will result into log 10 of 8 multiplied by 5, and this will give us log 10 of 40. Log 40 to base 10. Likewise, let's take another question. Log 2 to base 2 plus log 4 to base 2. Now, the first thing we'll ask, are they of the same base? Yes, they are of the same base. And is it an addition? Yes, it's an addition. Therefore, we apply the addition law, and this will result into log to base 2 of 2 multiplied by 4, and this will give us log of 8 to base 2. Now, we have been going backwards, and now let's try to go forward in this direction. Okay, now if we're going forward in that direction, let's assume we have log 16 all to base 2. Now log 16 here, if you apply the logarithm addition law, we are saying that log pq to base b is equal to log p to base b plus log q to base b. Now applying the addition law here to log 16, that means that we are going to look for multiples of 16. 16 therefore can be 8 times 2, 16 can be 4 times 4, 16 can also be 16 times 1. Okay, so therefore we can now rewrite log 16 to base 2 to give us log, applying the first one, 8 times 2, log 8 to base 2 plus log 2 to base 2. This is the first one. Now let's apply the second one. We're now saying that 16 log 16 to base 2 can be written as log 2 to base 4 plus log 2 to base 4. This is applying the second one. And finally log 16 to base 2 can be written again as log 16 to base 2 plus log 1 to base 2. This is applying the third one. So yes, the dynamics of logarithm and indices is superb. So therefore, in the next video, we'll be taking a look at subtraction law. What happens when it is now, instead of p multiplied by q, what happens when it is p over q? With the sign change, with the base remains the same. We'll see in the next video. So in this video, we have established that log pq to base b is equal to log p to base b plus log q to base b.